just want to do a quick video to show you how quick and easy it is to dismantle my dog show trolley. Undo the clips either side of the dog grooming table and lift it off. So light. And then put the handle down, push those knobs in there, and first one is the front wheel. So push that button in, push your front wheel off. Left wheel, push the button in and off. I don't need any help to do this. It means I'm independent. I'm not begging folk to help me all the time. This is fabulous. There we go, so that's everything in there. We just put that in, and then just collapse it at the sides. Either side, undo these brackets, and it will all just fold down like that. And then there's a clip here just to hold it all together. That's it there. Here. Now that's it all dismantled, ready to go in the car, and job done.